Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos. So, today I have something really interesting, important and whatever you say to tell you. So, I'll say part by part. So, first thing I have to tell you is that my engineering is over. If you guys must be following me on social media, you must be knowing that my engineering is over and I haven't taken any job. Not because it's because I have planned something else for my life, not YouTubing full time. So that's not my plan in my career. So that's just a hobby. So I have planned that thing, and since I am free nowadays, I have planned more videos weekly. So the schedule will be like the videos I upload on Sunday, that is the fun videos like DIY, lifestyle hacks and all those types of videos I'll be uploading on Friday. Every Friday you'll get fun videos, you'll learn something and you'll get to know something new. That will be known as Fun Friday. Now, the next video will be uploaded on Monday. So Monday will be known as the videos I'll be uploading in which we will talk. Like we'll literally take a topic and on that I'll say my point of view of that topic. You let me know your point of view in the comment section. So we'll interact this way and we'll get to know each other. Everyone will get new things to learn and different point of view of every people. So that's what I have planned, something new. And on Sunday I'll be uploading, Sunday will be known as Style Sunday. So Sunday I'll be uploading the combination of clothes you can wear together. Like I have seen people, I have observed people around me that they all know the new trends, they all know the new style to wear, but they don't know the combination to wear. Like I've literally seen people with weird combination wearing clothes. So I thought I have knowledge and I'll share about it. Every week I'll be uploading 3 videos and vlogs. All the vlogs will be uploaded on Wednesday, like Wednesday vlogs. So I'll try to upload 1 or 2 vlogs monthly. I am not committing anything on that because vlogs are something really difficult. Like we have to go out and then explore and then take vlogs. So if I'll go somewhere, I'll definitely take a vlog of that. And something new I have on Mondays. Like there's a jar. This you can see the colorful chits inside this. This is known as dream jar. So I'll be there. First thing I'll tell you, there are 365 chits inside this, and each chit has written something interesting in that, like something motivational. So on Mondays I'll be opening one chit. Every Monday I'll open one chit. In that I'll read out the message written inside that and the message we got for the week. So it's like something starting of the week, something motivational, like can be workout as a good part. So let's see how it goes. Even I don't know. I'll try my best. And don't forget to like the video. Like if you're liking this new thing and if you are literally enjoying it, then please do like me. And if you want something else or you want to see something else on my channel, do let me know in the comment section. I literally love that. And the other thing, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Like I'm really very active, especially on Snapchat and Instagram. I'm very active. I regularly post images and snap. Like seriously, I am totally active on Snapchat. So do follow me. Links are given in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. That's it. Meet you tomorrow.